Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're making fish pakoras. They're super easy and delicious. And I hope you try this recipe because we loved it. Please watch at least 3 minutes of the video before commenting. Add a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste to your basa plates. Add some lemon juice. A little bit of soy sauce. Add half a teaspoon of coriander seeds. A little bit of pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. Chili flakes. Some chili powder. Add in some jeera. Add a teaspoon of rice flour for crispiness. Add some flour. Add some bechamel. You can add fried chicken mix if you want. Mix it all together. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Add some coriander. Now fry them until they're golden brown. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye guys, have a good day.